Reinsurers operating within the Sub-Saharan African region are facing challenging market conditions. However, they are continuing to grow. I'm Yvette Essen for BestTV, and I'm joined by Jalpa Thanky, Senior Financial Analyst for Best, to talk about the drivers for growth as well as the role of innovation here. Can we talk about market conditions? How would you describe them within this region?
Sub-Saharan reinsurers continue to face a challenging and difficult operating environment. In recent years, currency devaluation, high inflation, and electoral disputes in some economies have caused further instability.
Quite a few challenges there, but the market is still continuing to grow. How is it managing to achieve this?
There's a number of factors: legal treaty cessions, domestication policies, and certain regulatory changes support the reinsurers to develop their profile and serve their local markets. Mandatory cessions serve to protect the reinsurers from competition from the external, larger global reinsurers by retaining the risk capacity within the region. However, we have noticed that policy enforcement continues to be an issue. Therefore, the growth opportunities are somewhat tempered.
You mentioned regulation there. Can we talk a little bit about regulation? How important is that to evolving, developing the market?
So regulation can primarily support these reinsurers through increasing consumer confidence in the insurance industry. There are certain economies in which the regulator is pushing towards a risk-based solvency environment to bring the local regulation in line with international best practices. So this increases consumer confidence. Another example would be South Africa, where the Insurance Act in 2017 formally introduced microinsurance as a line of business.
We published a report recently looking at trends within the Sub-Saharan African region, and one thing we've identified is innovation. How important is innovation to the success of companies working in this area?
The insurance industry is a dynamic market, and the improvements in mobile technology, mobile applications, and the telecommunication infrastructure in general will support the insurers to sell insurance to a wider audience by bringing down the barriers to purchasing insurance. In addition, we will see claims management and underwriting efficiencies introduced through the use of technology as real-time and automated databases replace manual paperwork.
A copy of Best report looking at reinsurance trends within the Sub-Saharan African region can be found on ambest.com. For BestTV, I'm Yvette Essen.